Good afternoon friends, myself Jansari Kishore from Naukar Institute. Today I will teach you in Standard 10 English Grammar. The name of the topic direct indirect speech. The fifth topic without lets and with lets. In last video I explained you how we can understand this sentence without lets and with lets. I give the explanation how we have to make change. This is a part 13. Today I will see some examples. So first example is say Naresh said to Naina, let's go to garden. So this is a sentence is with let's, because see along with let us is given. So if the with let sentence, then in place of said or said to we have to put suggested to or proposed to. So Naresh suggested to Naina that in place of let's we have to put they should go to garden. I repeat the sentence. Naresh is a reporter. In place of say to we have to put suggested to. Naina, that is a listener. In place of conjunction I put that. In place of let's we put they should. Then I repeat the sentence. Naresh suggested Naina that they should go to garden. Now see the second sentence. Manan said to Haresh, let me help you. This is a this sentence without lets, because along with let us is not given. So we have to make changes according to imperative sentence. So Manan requested Haresh. Now in without let sentence, that means in imperative sentence in place of conjunction we have to put to. To let me is used for Manan, so let him help him. Okay, again I repeat the sentence. Manan requested Haresh to let him help him. Okay friends, so now we'll go ahead. The third sentence says Resma said to Ramesh, let's go for a walk. This sentence is with let's, because along with let us is given. So we have to make changes according to with let's. So reporter is Resma suggested to Ramesh. In place of conjunction we have to put that. Now in place of let's we have to put they should. They should go for a walk. I repeat the answer. Resma suggested to Ramesh that they should go for a walk. Now see the next sentence. Manish said to Manisha, let me go on with my work. So here Manish is a reporter, Manisha is a listener, and this is without let sentence, because along with let us is not given. So Manish ordered, we can put order or we can put suggested. Okay, so Manish ordered Manisha to let him, me used for Manish, let him go on with his work. I repeat the answer. Manish ordered Manisha to let him go on with his work. Now see the next sentence. The principal said to the peon, let the boy come in. So the principal, this is also without let sentence, so order. The principal ordered the peon. In place of conjunction we have to put to let the boy come in. Okay, repeat the answer. The principal ordered the peon to let the boy come in. Now next sentence. The policeman said to the criminal, let me see what you have got in your hand. So that is also without let sentence. The policeman ordered the criminal to let him see what he had got in his hand. I repeat the answer. The policeman ordered the criminal to let him see what he had got in his hand. Okay, now next sentence. Harish said to Hina, let's go to movie. So this is a with let sentence. So Harish suggested Hina that, because this is a with let sentence, in place of conjunction we have to put that. In place of let's we have to put they should, that they should go to movie. Okay, Harish suggested Hina that they should go to movie. Now next sentence. He said to us, let him have his own way in every matter. So this is without let sentence. So he ordered or suggested, he ordered us to let him have his own way in every matter. Okay, I repeat the answer. He ordered us to let him have his own way in every matter. Okay friends, so I explain you 8 sentences. In the next video I will explain you some other examples so that you can understand better way. Thank you very much to listen me carefully.